Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A1. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and now enable OK Google function. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Also enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be thunderstorms with a high of 84 and a low of 65.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.